Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. Today, in this short video, I will be showing you how to do a hard reset on your Motorola Moto Stylus 5G. So let's go ahead and get straight to the point here. Our first step will be to power off our device. Now with your device powered off, click the volume down and the power button both at the same time until we reach this screen. From here, you want to scroll down to recovery mode using your volume down rocker and clicking the power button to select it. Once you reach the no command screen, press the power button and tap on the volume up button once. And now you want to scroll down to wipe data/factory reset and click the power button to select it. And once again, factory data reset and the power button to select. Once all that is complete, tap the power button to reboot your system and you are all set.